We bought 3 different water pumps to compare for our toddler's play kitchen sink. The idea is that by installing a water pump, your toddler has access to a sink where they can wash their hands. Each pump installs the same way, and I designed a pump mount for each style to hold it securely in place. We showed the full install in the first video of the series, but here's a quick overview. There are 2 holes left from removing the play faucet, and we use the one closest to the sink. Whichever hole you choose, make sure the pump will clear both the sink and backsplash edge if you install one. The water pump draws water up through a tube from the clean water jar. Then, used water runs from the sink into the dirty water jar. Now that you know how to install, let's see how each works. All 3 rechargeable pumps have a battery life of at least 20 gallons and come with BPA-free silicone tubes. The main differences between the 3 is the number of functions, flow, and noise level. To break it down, let's look at each one. The Momo has 4 buttons on top, but we found that our toddler only uses the front one. Cool thing about this water pump is that the front button can actually be programmed to dispense water for a certain amount of time. The full construction is BPA free and it has double the battery life compared to the other 2 models. And additionally, this pump is the quietest of the 3. For the other way pump, there's 1 button on top for an on and off, but it does turn off after 1 minute. It is important to note that the spout is removable. As for sound, it's a little bit louder than the Momo. As a plus though, there is an extra water tube included. It comes in both white and black, and it's the lowest price pump. This one comes in a few different colors if green isn't your thing. It has 2 buttons, one for on and off, and one to dispense 600 milliliters. Of the 3, this is the loudest. We can hear this in the next room or even upstairs. Based on our experience, we'd recommend one of the 2 white pumps. They're both really easy to use, have a low flow, and they're relatively quiet. We personally chose the Momo because of how quiet it is, and we like how it looks too. Our runner-up is this one. It's the simplest to use, and it's also the cheapest. The green one's too loud for us, but at least you'll know when your kid's using water. Bingo, bango, bongo. Good job, Tyler. It's important to note that the spout is removable because it's worth noting.